What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. And in this week's video we are checking out a home for sale in the lovely gated community that's known as Arroyo Alto, which is only about 10 minutes from the center of Ajijic. This is a lovely one level, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom property that has fabulous views, as you can see, of Lake Chapala behind me. Yes, you have your own private pool here. This property has recently been renovated throughout. The flooring, the bathrooms, the kitchen, you name it guys, this house has had a complete makeover. It is absolutely gorgeous. I'm super excited to show you my listing today here, and I think we should get on with it. So without further ado, come with me today. The video is on its way. So welcome to Casa Smith today guys. Construction, one level, is 261 square meters, which works out as 2,809 square feet. The house was built in 2011. So you have a beautiful entrance here, space for 2 vehicles under the covered carport. So let me walk you through. So as we come in, we're greeted with this beautiful cupola. You get a beautiful view as soon as we walk into the property. So here to my left-hand side, this is where we're going to find the 2 other bedrooms, guest bedroom and what they're using as like an exercise room at the moment, and the full bathroom. But I want to take you into the main living area first. It's a really nice size living space, open plan. Here in the living area, you're topped off with a beautiful Boveda ceiling. Here you've got a nice area for breakfast. If you're wondering guys, the house isn't being sold furnished. However, there is a furniture package if you are interested. For me, this is such a lovely, entertaining property because you've got all these different areas that you can come and sit. This area here is probably one of my favorite parts of the house because you've got the relaxing area, the dining room table, and how cool is this? A kitchen that was designed just for the outside area. You have your gas grill, your wine fridge, ice maker, a perfect space for entertaining guests and hanging out and enjoying the views of Lake Chapala. I really like what they've done here with the design because the cover, they've actually put it underneath some decking, and so it looks nice and clean and tidy. This is the solar heated pool that was added recently to the property. So on the side of the property you have access for the gardener to come in and out here to do a bit of work, and you also have another storage area here to the side of the property. So let's take you into the principal bedroom. I really like what they've done on the interior design of this property. This is a lovely principal bedroom. It's topped off with a Boveda ceiling. As you can see in the corner you have a gas fireplace. I like what they've done with the barn doors leading into the ensuite bathroom. But this, if you're wondering guys, is a king-size bed. So it's a big size room, plenty of space. Coming into the ensuite bathroom, again, this area was completely renovated. It's a very nice sized bathroom, a big walk-in shower. I don't know if you can see this down here, but the way they've designed it, they've actually kind of put pebbles down on the floor. So it's kind of like you're getting some reflexology on your feet as you're having a shower. This area was completely renovated, and now the closet area is next to the laundry area here to my right hand side, which is kind of handy. So here to my left-hand side, this is what they're using as an exercise room, but quite easily could be turned into an office or another bedroom. And opposite to the room, you have this beautiful full guest bathroom. all of the same finishes when it comes to the marble, and the shower is what you see in the ensuite bathroom. Leading on nicely, this is where we're going to find the guest bedroom. That's a king size bed, and there's still plenty of room to maneuver. This room also has walk-in closets. Let me know if you want to come and see my listing here today in Arroyo Alto. As per usual, I'll leave all the information down below in the description of the video. There we have it, guys. I hope you've enjoyed the video tour today of this beautiful one-level property. If you have any questions, you'd like to come and see my listing here, feel free to reach out to me. As usual, my email is here on the screen, and feel free to tell me in the comments what you think of this beautiful listing too. I'd love to hear from you. Have yourselves a wonderful day. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Hasta luego, amigos.